A family that took their mentally ill son to a hospital to be cared for by professionals was shocked by the news of his escape from the institution on social media.
I was not even informed that the boy has escaped. I was only asked there after I've noticed the WhatsApp on the WhatsApp group, all over on the social media. I was only informed after I've noticed the WhatsApp. And then I was asked by the nurse to say, asking me if the boy is not at home. My response to the lady, I've said, the boy, I'm not expecting that kind of a question from them as the clinicians, because I left the boy in their hands, hoping that he's safe in their hands. To my surprise, they called me and asked me if the boy is not at home.
The family slammed the provincial health for placing the safety of patients in danger.
I want to see the Department of Health taking accountability with regard to my son's health, and at the same time, it must be a wake-up call to the Department of Health to see that all the patients who are admitted here in the hospital, they are safe under the right hands.
Reotshepile was spotted by some locals in Setlhabetsi village, about 3 kilometers from the hospital. He had started a fire in an empty shack.
I had
just arrived from taking kids to school. When I saw smoke coming out of the shack, I then came running to check what was burning because this shack has got no furniture. I then found a boy. I then took him outside. That's when I realized that he was wearing clothing from the hospital.
My cousin took pictures of him and put it on social media so that the family can be found.
The Northwest Department of Health has admitted that the patient had escaped under their care.
He was admitted at a 72-hour observation unit. In this instance, the patient was among those that damaged the cameras before also going through the ceiling and then jumped the fence. We managed to recover the patient and the patient was brought back to our facilities, but we can confirm that there was a substantial damage to our facility because they had damaged the ceiling and the roofing and then jumped the fence.
Reotshepile Lefifi has now been moved to the Bophelong Psychiatric Hospital. Thabang Morutloa, SABC News, Mahikeng.